Forest River Ozark is a diverse line of travel trailers designed to appeal to every person who loves to hit the campground with their friends, family, or significant other. You'll find the Ozark has unique features. It's comfortable for RV living and it's quite affordable. We'll take a walk through the Ozark, highlight some nice features, talk a bit about construction, and get into the nitty-gritty regarding weight and what type of tow vehicle you're going to need for proper towing. Once inside the Ozark, you'll most likely head where everyone else does, the kitchen. The Ozark kitchen boasts a ton of tremendous features. Every Ozark will have a sizable fridge, with the smaller efficient LE models having a 4.5 cubic foot model, and those carrying the Premier Partner package will have the larger double door black glass 12 volt fridge. The cooktop is multi-burner, with the single axle Ozark models having a 2-burner cooktop and the double axle models carrying a 3-burner. You'll get a microwave or a convection oven as well, depending upon the model. Once done eating, the deep sink and residential high-rise kitchen faucet embedded in the pressed seamless countertop work in tandem to make cleaning up a snap. Some models will have a stainless steel sink, which is certainly a nice touch. Granted, the kitchen is a key room in any RV, but who wants to spend all their time cooking when the point of RVing is to relax? That's where the living area comes into play. First off, comfort comes in the form of plush yet durable furniture. Relax and sink back into an Ozark sofa or theater seats. The dinettes are comfortable and convert into a bed if necessary. They also have additional storage for larger items. And while all Ozarks come with exterior storage and most with slam latch baggage doors, you'll find some Ozark models come with storage bins. And you can enjoy your Ozark with the benefit of AC and heat. Regarding heat, you'll get a 20,000 BTU furnace, and some models come with a 5,000 BTU fireplace, perfect for those cool spring and fall mornings. Speaking of cool, the Ozark has either a roof-mounted 13,500 BTU AC unit or, with the larger models, a 15,000 BTU AC system with independent ductwork. When it comes to flooring, the Ozark is built for durability with an extra thick vinyl flooring. And it should be noted, no carpet. Carpet is great, but it does trap dirt, and if you have kids or pets, it can be difficult to clean. Most Ozark models come with class-leading panoramic windows, tinted with the Premier Partner package, plus black privacy shades. Part of the living area's appeal, of course, is entertainment. The Forest River Ozark comes with a variety of entertainment options. All Ozarks come with at least 4 USB tablet-compatible ports, and most will have USB-C ports as well. Most models come with the omnidirectional digital TV antenna, as well as a TV backer with hookups and a TV antenna with booster. In the double axle and toy hauler models, you'll get an upgraded sound system with wireless audio. But what about the single axle models? Well, they've got something truly special, a portable Bluetooth stereo you can take outside with you. A lot of RV bathrooms and cost-efficient travel trailers will sacrifice one thing or another due to space and cost, but the Ozark doesn't. For one thing, most Ozark models come with a mirror, which isn't always the case. The Ozark shower is larger, 36 by 30 inches in many floor plans, so you can shower away without smacking your elbows on every side. The bedroom features an upgraded hypoallergenic mattress and a good-sized wardrobe or two. There are also outlets by the bed, so you can plug in a CPAP machine or a cell phone. On the exterior, a Forest River Ozark comes complete with a lot of features designed to make your camping both comfortable and safe. For comfort, you'll get a power awning with an LED light strip and adjustable legs so you can stay safe from the elements, including the sun. The adjustable legs are very helpful so you can dump rain off the awning when necessary. An Ozark comes with an exterior cable TV hookup and exterior receptacle so you can easily watch TV outside. Other great features include a fully walkable roof and a diamond plate rock guard. As far as safety features, you're going to find most Ozarks come with a spare tire, which is a solid peace of mind asset and something that not all RVs in this category come with. The Ozark also comes backup camera ready, so the housing and wiring is all set for you to drop in a backup camera whenever you want. But what about construction? Well, the Ozark line is built to last season after season. You'll get that full walk-on roof with Superflex membrane to aid in longevity. The frame is a powder-coated I-beam with camber for better structural support, And every Ozark has fiberglass insulation throughout. And for those models with the slide out, the Ozark comes with a 13-ply cross micro-laminated header beam, but more importantly, a triple seal system acting as a top-notch moisture barrier. I mean, we all love water, but also know that it can be pretty damaging to an RV. An awesome option is the Ozark's Ascent Package. The Ascent Package has smooth fiberglass exterior walls, a powered tongue jack, fold-down solid steps for easy entry, quick-drop stabilizer jacks, 12-volt heating pads on all tanks, thermofoil lining, a roof-mounted 200-watt solar package with 30-amp controller, a JBL stereo, and the Accessibelly enclosed underbelly panels. That's quite a bit of stuff. All right, let's take a look at what you're going to need to tow an Ozark. As for size, Ozark RVs range from roughly 20 feet and 2,800 pounds dry up to 38 feet and about 9,000 pounds dry. A pretty impressive range for a travel trailer line. That being said, some of the lighter models, the single axle and LE models, you're going to be able to tow them with some mid-size SUVs like a Ford Explorer, Toyota 4Runner, or Audi Q7. As for the tandem axle and toy hauler models, you're going to need a bigger vehicle, like a Ford F-150, Jeep Wagoneer, or Ford Expedition with a heavy-duty towing package. There's a lot going on with towing though, and so you'll need to do some research, right, on your towing vehicle using the model year, trim level, engine options, etc. You should have the towing capacity in your owner's manual, but you can always consult an associate at your local Camping World. And it just so happens that Camping World may have the Ozark you're looking for. So head on in and check one out for yourself. Happy RV shopping and happy camping.